Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to be showing you guys how I created these highlights. This video is perfect for beginners, so please stay tuned. So the products I'll be using will be my Wella Developer in 40 volume and my Light Master by Matrix, and also my Wella Charm Toner. All these products will be listed in the description box down below. So to start off with, I'm literally just going to pour my bleach powder into my mixing bowl. And it does depend on how much hair you are bleaching. As I am bleaching like a full wig, I do need quite a bit, as you can see. I'm then going to get my developer and basically just mix that into the mixing bowl. I don't usually measure, maybe because I've been doing it for a while now, but you kind of want it not to be too thick and not too watery at the same time, so it kind of just needs to be, you know, an equal amount of both products. So once you've mixed the two together, you should kind of get this sort of texture. As you can see, it's like nice and smooth, like custard, shall I say. But that is what we're going for. So now moving on to the wig, guys. As you can see, I've got my wig on my wig head. I do recommend this because it just makes it so much easier. And I personally do prefer to bleach or dye the hair once the wig is made, just so I know exactly where I want the colours to be placed. So as you can see, I'm just taking my comb, I'm just taking some sections off, and I'm literally just combing the rest of the hair back, and then I'm just going to get my foil and just place that under the hair. And then I'm going to be taking my brush, and then I'm just going to be, you know, brushing the hair like so. And then once that's done, I'm just going to wrap the foil and basically just move on to the next section. So I'm just going to leave that in for 40 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and tone my wig. To tone the wig, I'll be using my Wella Colour Charm in shade T14. So I'm just going to pour that all into the mixing bowl. I'm going to be mixing that with my 40% developer. Please don't try this at home, guys. If you are going to be using this toner, I do recommend a 20 volume, because the 40 can be quite harsh and it will lift the actual colour. So I'm literally just going to pour that both in there and just mix that together. So after I washed out my wig, I did leave it for a few minutes just to air dry, because you kind of want the wig to be like quite damp, not very wet but damp. I also did go over it with a purple shampoo. If you would like me to do a video, like a tutorial on how, you know, I wash my wigs with purple shampoos after it's been bleached, and please do leave a comment. So I'm now just going to part my wig and just basically, you know, tone each section. So now that I've toned my wig, I'm just going to wrap it up in some cling film and leave that in for half an hour. This just basically helps the toner to process quicker. So I'm just going to install the wig onto my client's head. The colour came out very, very nice. So I'm literally just going to like glue the wig down and just basically style. And this is the final look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you next week. Bye.